It's Miss Greta with a really neat book. Anna Banana and the Chocolate Explosion. There's Zigzag, Fuzzball, Ping Pong, Foxface, Whaley, Grizzler, and Anna Banana. Anna, I'm as hungry as a bear. A bear? But you're a penguin. Then I'm as hungry as a big penguin. Can you make us a chocolate cake? No, but I can teach you how to bake one yourself. Yay! We want to learn too. To the kitchen. Grizzler, get the eggs. Zigzag, the milk. Ping Pong, grab the sugar. Whaley, flour. Foxface, the chocolate. Fuzzball, the bowls. Anna, I'd rather bake mine by myself in the living room. You don't want to bake with us? No, I need to concentrate. Okay, Grizzler. Hope you won't make a huge mess. Good job, Ping Pong. It's making me even hungrier. Splat, splat. Fuzzball, stop. Use the whisk instead. Splat, splat. Take it easy. You don't whack, you swirl. Splat. Bing! Splotch. You have to hold on to the bowl. There, I'm holding it. It's too late. The cake doesn't look like anything now. It's ruined. I'm hungry. You have flour everywhere. I'm hungry. Here, eat. Bam, bam. Don't fight. I baked my cake. You're done already? I'm the fastest. I'll just let you finish yours, and I'll go bake another. I wonder how he does it. Let's spy on him and see. Shh. Shh. Hush. Shh. Oh, there he goes. Come on. Let's follow him. He's going to the bakery. Grizzler, show us what you just bought. Sorry, I've been cheating all along to impress you. I wish this cake would just disappear. Scarf. There, Fuzzball made it disappear. Gulp. Want to help us finish our cake, Grizzler? Yay! Very good, Grizzler. Fuzzball, stop! Great, now pour it into the pan and put it in the oven. I'm glad we all worked together. You couldn't have done it without me. Bon appetit. The end.